Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Stenography Universe. Today's speed passage 100 WPM. Ready? Start. I am glad to be with you this morning. I think we have to give special attention to the handloom sector. For the last year and a half, I have been receiving a lot of representations from handloom workers and leaders in the handloom movement. And I also know something about it because having been for long in public life, it is impossible not to know something about handlooms, their importance, and their present difficulties. I have a feeling that probably it has not received the attention it deserves for some time. There was time when our leaders took this as the most important part. Our national movement, not necessarily handlooms, but cloth as such. After food, cloth is the most important need, and it had certain amount of patriotic element built into it because it was one of the things on which the country was being exploited by foreigners, by the British in particular, and so it had entered into our national spirit right from the days of our independence struggle. Therefore, it has a special meaning, a special significance in India. Para. Another special aspect of this is that it is one of the our most ancient crafts, and India has been famous for many centuries, maybe for thousands of years, when many civilized countries of today were not very much better than uncultured people. It was India which flourished because of its trade, because of its textiles, handicrafts, etc. Even today, India is calculated for its cottage industries, small industries, village industries, handloom cloth. These are the things which come to mind when people abroad think of India, not the big industries which are just a replica of what they have in the West. No imitator ever commands respect. It is the initiator who commands respect. There is something original about it. There is something ancient about it. Something to be proud of. I know from my own experience that the price of something handmade in the Western markets may be 100 times more than the same thing made on a machine. Now, there is an element of justice in it. There is an element of good look in it. In a machine made thing, every product is exactly like every other product. There is no stamp of the person in it. In the handmade things, no two things can be identical. So, each article has the stamp of the maker on it, and that is why it bears a much higher price, and more than the price, a much higher respect. Full stop.